Hi. The lighting is not the best this way, I think. No, it's okay. So today was a really bad day. I lost everything. I mean, trading wise. With the free trial, I lost everything and then some. I'm at a pretty. This is what my account looks like. So the title of this video is gonna be "Emotions Got to Me in the End," but they shouldn't have. It wasn't a big deal. I was still in profit. I lost some trades, but yeah, entered some stupid trades. Wasn't even supposed. Nothing was there. Actually, nothing. So let me go over the trades, and at the end, I think I'm gonna talk a little bit about mindset and how I got over it. So. Uh, So I know I can find trades. I know I can trade. This proves it here, right? So and come back here, just the stress, the being tired, financial things, everything. Work's not going great. So yeah, life got to me in the end, basically. But okay, let's go over the trades today. So Friday, so I still had the CAD CHF from yesterday and the Euro CAD from yesterday still had open. So this trade here was still open this morning. And okay. And the CAD CHF trade, this one, oh, come on. Really? Okay, whatever. And this one as well would have hit take profit right now. But it would have wicked me out barely, basically. I closed here somewhere. Not here, I closed halfway here. I closed somewhere here. It would have wicked me out. And then it went up. But I was right though, yeah? So I was right. I had the direction right. You can argue that my stop was too tight or whatever, but it actually wasn't. I, yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this one was open, and the EuroCAD, this one was open. First right here, they were open. Then, as I was scrolling through the charts, I don't know. I forgot that I was in two cat pairs already. Uh, Came here, saw this one, looked like it made second retest here. Um, but after I saw it, I I took the trade, and then I looked at my terminal, and then I saw I had three cat pairs. For some reason I forgot. I don't know. But by then it was already in drawdown, so I was hoping it would come back and I could close in profit, but it didn't. And it stopped out. So this was there wasn't no divergence, there was no, the only thing there was a break and retest. But that's one thing I've been what started my downfall was that all of these trades I took here, these all of these trades, they had divergence. And actually, that's the beauty of journaling trades, because what's the difference between, so the first trade I took without divergence was here, AUD trade. So what do you see me, I mean, I'm talking to you here in the corner. What do you see above the line and below the line? Almost almost all the trades, significantly more trades. So all the trades I took that didn't have divergence, I only won 3 out of how many? 13 trades, and I only won 3 trades. And that was because I started taking only breaks and retests. Every other trades I took, and the trades I took without divergence as well, were break even. All the trades I took had divergence in them. That's another reason why this downfall started. I started taking trades without divergences. I deviated from my trading strategy. So from now on, no trades without divergence. I don't care how clear the market structure is. If it doesn't have divergence, I'm not going to take it. If I can't find clear divergence, I'm not going to take it. Because, as you can see, from 13 trades I've taken this week, I've only won 3. Yep. Yep. So yeah, and even this AUD USD trade, I mean, the market structure was so clear. I mean, come on, easy, simple break and retest, right? But no divergence, and it skyrocketed up. So yeah, I'm glad I made this. Glad I made this video and journaling my trades, because now I see. Now I see. I deviated from my trading strategy. So last week I only had like out of out of 18 trades, I only lost 4. I only lost 4 trades, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 were break even, and 2 of them were break even because there were no divergence here. So okay, I get it now. So that's the reason why I lost. Okay, moving on. CAD JPY, right? So then I saw NZD USD. Let's see, what did I see? Okay, yeah, I remember now. This was on H4, I believe. Yep. Okay. So NZD USD. I noticed a divergence on H4, and then I noticed a head and shoulders pattern on H1, and that's the reason I took the trade here. And oh wait, let me show you my. Oh, did I show you my terminal? I know I'm going back and forth, and I'm not. I'm being authentic here. I don't script these videos. So okay, NZD. Why is it so small? So NZD USD. So the first trade on NZD USD, I closed because I wanted a bigger lot size. I didn't want that big of a stop, so my stop was something like this, actually, 20 and 1 to 1. So yeah, something like this. But it closed in profit, and so this is the CAD JPY I talked about, and then I closed it in profit, and then I took it with a bigger lot size, and that was this trade here, and the reasoning was H4 divergence, kind of a daily, kind of a at the daily zone still, right? So kind of, and a head and shoulders pattern, and yep, that was that trade, and it worked. Then CAD CHF stopped out. I talked about that. Showed it already, I believe. So yeah, it would have hit my take profit now, but too late. Okay, and that was a break and retest trade as well, right? So there was no divergence here, only break and retest, only break and retest. So breaks and retest work, but I need to trade breaks and retest with divergence. Breaks and retest work, but I'm gonna use divergence as an extra confirmation because a lot of breaks and retests don't work. So do divergences at some point, but if there's a clear zone, clear break and retest, at the zone, prices at the zone, and there's divergence, it's more likely that it's gonna work. As I showed last week, and this week I deviated from that for some reason, and the results are in. So EuroCAD. So this is the trade from yesterday. I closed halfway to the stop. Then I started panicking. Then all emotions got in the way. I took a random NZD USD and NZD CAD trade. Well, it wasn't completely random, but I figured it's actually better seen like in small windows. Let's see NZD USD. So after the first trade hit my take profit, I kind of thought that this up candle here, this bullish candle here, was a break and retest for this down like neck kind of neckline, right? So I entered the sell here, and I also saw NZD CAD being at a weekly resistance here zone here. So I thought kind of a head and shoulders, and then it started dropping, and then I started thinking, okay, maybe it's gonna drop. So, but it didn't have any divergence, didn't have a well, it was a clear zone, but no divergence, no breaks, and no H4 H1 breaks and retests, nothing like that. And these day trades were stupid. Luckily, I placed take profit at break even, so it hit my break even. That didn't come back. So I let them run for a bit, and then I had to go to the city from my work to get a car from the repair shop. And as I drove, I thought to myself that, what am I doing? What am I doing? Stupid random trades. What's going on, man? Like last week I was killing it. Like emotions got to me in the end. Took I lasted 2 weeks. That's more than I've lasted in a long time. in trading. I mean, without panicking, without taking stupid trades. I lasted up until now, from last week's Tuesday. So that's a pretty good run for me. So, and the focus is getting more and more clear every day. And this challenge account ends on Monday. I'm gonna take a new one, and then I'm gonna take also one-to-one trades, but with a 1% risk. Because last week, if I would have done 1% risk, the challenge would have already been done. And but that's not the end goal. I just wanted to trade one-to-one trades with a high account to see that I can make it with this money, and I can. The money from this one-to-one trades on a 200k account or 300k account, or even on a 100k account with a 1% stop risk. I mean, that's huge money for me. That's huge. So NZD trades were completely bogus. They were so stupid. And then I took the opposite trade for EuroCAD. But I mean, all the time when I was looking at the EuroCAD chart here, it went up, then came back down, ranged, went up, then came back, right? I was thinking to myself, I've seen this pattern so many times. Like, it's still at some kind of a weekly resistance. It's making a break and retest here. It had okay, it had divergence up there. So okay, yeah. So that's one of the reasons why I took the trade. But up until it started dropping heavily, I thought to myself, I've seen this pattern so many times. There's a higher high, prices, making stupid things here. Showing that it's gonna go down with a bearish engulfing candle in 2 weeks and stuff like that. You know, bringing people in on selling, and then it's gonna go up and take all the stops out. I've seen this pattern so many times because I've taken this sell order from these kind of setups too many, like really many, like many times, a lot of times, and more often than not, they've stopped out. They've stopped out. So, but this trade would have stopped out anyway. This week would have got me, and then it would have shot up. So that would have been bad. Well, not bad, because right now I lost 1,500. If this would have hit up, I would have only lost 1,000. So it would have actually been better. And after I took the sell on Euro CAD, I took a sell on Euro CHF. It was this was actually a divergence trade, because I saw wicks and wicks and wicks to the left, and then I was looking if there was any divergence here, and there was pretty clear hidden divergence, and it is a downtrend, right, in the higher time frames as well. So this indicates a trend continuation. It looks like it's happening, but it wicked me out first. So it is what it is. EuroCAD would have hit my take profit. Euro CHF would be in profit. CAD CHF would have hit my take profit right now. Damn. Damn. And that actually performed exactly how I thought it would be. I mean, I can't prove it, but as I was looking at this, when price was over here, I thought to myself, right, like, it's probably gonna make some kind of a wick here, stop me out, and then drop, because the divergence Like here would be so nice. I mean, and there's divergence here. So yes, it's a break and retest. Yes, on H4 it's pretty clear break and retest, right? So I mean, I've been looking for this sell like for 2 weeks now because still on the daily it looks like a head and shoulders to me. So and this is the neckline, and it's the break and retest here is like taking 2 weeks, and now it's finally starting to move. So on Monday, if price decides to come back here a bit, then I'll take the sell because right now there's divergence, and I thought to myself, when prices are here, it's probably gonna wake me out. Then make a divergence here because there's a lower high and this is gonna be a higher high, and this looks like so something that could happen, and it did. It absolutely did. It happened. So I can't be mad because I was right. I was right in the end. I just took the trade too early. I mean, so now from now on, I'm gonna take trades only with divergence because last week it worked out fine. This week I deviated from it for some reason and it blew my account basically. So, but all is not lost because like less than 4,000 in drawdown, and if I take two trades on Monday with a 1% stop loss, that's 2K a trade. And if I manage to win two trades on Monday, uh, the account is gonna be back to break even, and even with a small profit. So, but even if I hit two K winners, it's gonna be like $500 in profit. 500 for me is still a lot of money, like a lot of money. And yeah, that's why I need to keep my mind clear. Eliminate all the distractions. Like, I mean, I was thinking about something today, and the thought that entered my mind was, what can you do right now, today? Just a small thing. What can you do right now to improve your life? What can you do? What can you do that you've put on, procrastinated on? I'm gonna do it later. I'm gonna do it later. Right? It gets stuck in the back of your head. I mean, I should do that. I mean, I've put that off like 2 weeks now. And I should get it done. What can you do right now to improve your life? Maybe just clean your desk, or I mean, clean your car, clean your wallet out of that's actually what I did. I cleaned my wallet out of the receipts I had piled in there that I don't need anymore. I cleaned my wallet. I cleaned my desk at the job. I want to get my car washed, but I'm driving long roads tomorrow, so there's no point actually. But my car is dirty right now. It's filthy from the outside because it's snowing in Estonia. But yeah, what can you do to improve your life right now? The small things. And if you do the small things every day, eventually eventually the small things will run out, and you will go on to make big things. Yeah, deep, I know. But yeah, this is it. This is gonna be it for this video. I'll see you on Monday. It's probably already like half an hour, I think. Yep, 24 minutes. So trade safe. Keep a clear head. Keep your perspective clear and your mind clean and your focus. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Stay focused and trade safe. Bye.